Hi, Frank Westfall here with Southwest Hybrid Living. I want to show you something about DJI Mic Minis that you may not know, which is super useful. So this mic is paired to a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro right now, and that's what I'm recording this with. The blue light means it's paired. And then to turn on noise cancellation, it's just one click of the power button. That green light means noise cancellation's on. But here's the really cool thing that I didn't know and I didn't see in any of the reviews. Once it's connected, if you click the Bluetooth pairing button once, it stops recording. So I'm not going to touch the camera, and I'm going to stop recording and then restart it. And now I've just restarted recording by clicking the Bluetooth button again. They work as a remote control for the camera. It is so useful. And one other thing, while I'm talking about these mics, they're not supposed to be entirely waterproof, but I will tell you this. Yesterday, I accidentally went fully underwater with this on my collar, and I got out of the water, and I actually thought I lost it because it was up on the side, and I was like, oh man, and it was dark, murky water, like clay water, so there's no way I would have found it if I was looking for it. So I thought it was gone, and then about 5 minutes later, I realized it was still attached. So these clips work really well. They hold on really well because I dove in. But this is the same mic. It went fully underwater for a minute or two. And it actually looked like it worked right after that because I accidentally hit the power button and it powered on and paired with the camera. But I immediately powered it off and just let it dry really good all day yesterday in the sun. And as you can see, it works fine. So they're technically not supposed to be waterproof, but this mic went fully underwater and it works fine. This DJI stuff is impressive. If you found this helpful, please make sure to hit like and subscribe. Bye for now.